Today is a special day. We are going to bake a delicious treat. Add the ingredients. Add the ingredients. Butter. Butter. Flour, sugar, egg, milk. Mix all the ingredients with the spoon. Choose a baking pan. Put in the cake batter. Now it's time to bake. Now you can decorate your cake. Add your favorite toppings. Add your favorite toppings. Strawberry icing. Add your favorite toppings. Sparklers. Add your favorite toppings. Add your favorite toppings. Cowie, Elliot, Lisa, Ricky, Cowie, Bobby. Add your favorite toppings. Chocolate, banana, strawberry, sprinkles, white chocolate.